trouble brewing for Virat Kohli-owned pub 18 Commune in Bengaluru as a case has now been registered against the pub. In fact, a case has been booked for not having a designated smoking zone. The Virat Kohli-owned 18 Commune pub and restaurant in Bengaluru has run into some trouble again after the Cubbon Park police registered a suo motu case for violations. My colleague Imran is joining us with the details. Imran, 18 Commune in trouble again. Previously as well, the BBMP had also served a notice. What are the details of the case being registered?
Well, a fresh case has been registered against Virat Kohli's pub. We are at the location right now at the iconic Trinity MG Road Circle here, where you can see 18 pub. This pub is owned by Virat Kohli, and the latest cops has booked a case for not having designated smoking area. This is the latest case been filed. The police registered a suo motu case under COTPA Act violations. The pub has been booked under sections 4 and 21 of the Cigarettes and Other Tobacco Products Act for not having a designated zone within the restaurant for smoking. This pub, Virat Kohli's pub, has earlier run into troubles earlier past too in June last year for operating beyond the stipulated time. The BBMP had also issued a notice to the pub for not having fire safety in this particular pub area. Now the latest is that the 18 Commune pub does not have a designated smoking area within the restaurant, and because of which a case has been registered at Virat Kohli's pub in Bangalore. Let me show you again the pub, which is iconic here. We are at the Cubbon Park area, MG Road, which is a central business district of Bangalore, and this is where the pub is. It's an iconic building, and where this has already been cases registered against this pub for violating safety, not having enough safety measures, and to be working beyond the stipulated time. And the latest FIR is about not having a designated smoking area within the pub there. We tried to get a response from the pub's Virat Kohli, and also general manager responded saying that they do have non-smoking area, and he is not aware as to why this case has been registered, and nobody informed them. This is a suo motu case taken by the Bangalore police against the pub owned by Virat Kohli.
Okay, all right. Imran, thank you for joining us.